Hello, hello mga gwapo, mga gwapo. Nandito kami sa labas. Ala, sleepy na. Ala, sleep na sila, honey.
Oh, sleep, sleep. Oh, look at my beautiful sleepy little babies.
Look at the
so
faces. Look, oh sus.
They're so good and sleepy.
Overacting naman itong dalawa. Labas na, nak. Isa pa, parang blurred yung ating camera, no? Ika lang. I just put my jacket on, ha. Ito sa plano yung aming bus. Si Mister, pag uwi niya galing sa work, sabi mag-book daw siya ng kain namin. Tapos sa dito na naman kami. Babalik na naman kami dito sa aming babang kinakainan all the time. Wala, naglukot-lukot naman to ating jacket. Kung si Aileen Caleb ba, idol na kinyan yung aking friend. Tetlo kasi kami na magkaibigan. Matagal na kami. I think hindi ninyo alam, pero magkaibigan kami niyan ni Aileen Caleb at ni Anis Kayong. Kami yan dati, magkulab-kulab. Nandito na naman tayo, oh. Ayan yung ating weather today. Burang lamig. 44. So we're okay.
146.
146 now? Oh. Dito na si Inday Jenny. Mag-open na yan siya ng door. Sige, let in, JJ. Okay? Grabe, sobrang bango dito. Ito kami kumain dati nung kinasal kami ni Mr. Jenny, ayun na naman siya. Oh. Gusto kasi niya yung ball. Jenny, check ko lang. Baka nakalimutan ko yung cellphone ko ba? Yeah, it's here. I thought I forgot. Paddington. It's not Paddington. Oy, Paddington daw itong nakikita niya. Bayad kayo ng 1 pound tapos lalabas dyan. Toy lang. Wala pang tao. Antay-antay muna tayo kasi wala pang nagsiserve dito. Uni hotel. What's the use of... Yeah.
You touch it and you put your registration in.
Ah.
So,
But you're waiting for a woman.
And then we go wait for somebody to come in.
Alright. Lila, JJ. Gone. Pasok na kami. Maghahanap kami ng aming table. Thank you so much. Wanna sit there, Jennifer? It's too big. You okay? Magantay muna tayo dito sa aming glass bago kami makakain. Kaya, dun lang yung aking bag. Yeah? Jenny, oh. Sitting like a big girl. Behave, ha? Be nice. Wala, uy.
Jenny, that's your chair there.
So, nilipat. Doon daw ka, nak. Doon. Sige. Your mommy's help? Yeah. Ay, ayun ang magpatulong ni Inay.
Drink?
Wait, can we order now? Oh, yeah.
Can I get you a drink?
Yeah, we're gonna two adult Cadburys, one child Cadbury, and 2 refill drinks. Thank you.
Yeah, just make my out for your food. I'll get you a drink.
Okay, thanks very much. Do you wanna go? Or should we all go?
We all go. Jessica, she's so excited, honey. Come, Jenny. Line up muna tayo dito. Ayan si, hello ka, honey, her rumper is showing. Uy, patay. Yeah, she's fine.
See what happens when you just listen to mommy and daddy?
She's alright. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, she's fine. See? Napakog. Makulit man kasi ikaw dahi. Uy. Ayan yung food nila, oh. Ang dami-daming food dito. What?
Cherry drink.
Cherry drink. Okay, we will buy cherry drink. Rice? It's not a rice. Jennifer, come here. Hala, ayun na si Inday doon makulit. What did you want? Food. Ito yung paborito ni Jenny is peas. Jessica, do you want some green peas? Gravy. I think that's what Jessica only likes.
She likes peas and gravy, don't she? Do you like carrots, Jessica? Carrots.
I'll just put a little bit.
Parsnips, are you think you like
Carrots. Yeah, I put some honey. Ang init naman
So you
ito.
have it, though?
Yeah.
Oh, I love this potato.
Tatlo yung
This is
akin.
lovely potato. Very nice.
Yummy.
If you like mashed potato, it is, yeah. Okay.
Hoy!
Oi,
Doon yung dalawa, oh.
want a lot of gravy?
Tapos,
Yeah.
Jessica, paborito niya kasi yung gravy. Ay, wala na yung tamis-tamis dito. Ayan, oh. Ito yung gusto ko sana. Kailangan, ay, meron pa doon, oh, mga ibang. Hindi ko alam, mga mustard ata yan. Vegetarian. Oh, they have vegetarian gravy here. Oh. Pero ito mas masarap. You okay? Are you hungry? Gustong gusto niya to eh.
Jenny,
Okay. yeah, she's dancing. Juice! Ayan na, kumain na si Jenny. No? Just don't eat it then. Kunin natin tong. Ayan, pwede natin yan ilagay. Itong asin at saka pepper. Si Jessica. Alam, food ni Mr. Puno-puno. Ilagay muna natin to dito kasi si Mr. yung pinadala ko ng phone nung nagkuha kami ng food. Hala ko! Siya na talaga ang naning kamot. Be, want mommy's help? Okay, open. Here. Sige, sit down there. Kaya mag-eat food. Yummy daw na. She's so happy, honey. She's happy. I think I need to cook like this because she likes like this and gravy in the house, you know?
Yeah.
Kain tayo. Tinutulungan ng kanyang tatay.
using my knife.
Because you're using it.
Move natin itong bagay.
This
Jenny,
one looks sharp.
Oh, serious na serious, Inday.
Is this for kids, is it?
Yeah.
I won't cut it, but this is for kids.
Yeah, we had 3 for kids day, didn't we?
Yeah, last
I
time.
didn't know the baby balls were found.
I know. Nandiyan na yung mga bata, oh. Ang kulit. Hoy! Hoy! Uuwi na kami. Tapos na kaming kumain. Busog na si Inday Elgin, oh. Ang laki-laki na ng tiyan, oh. Oh. Oh, di ba? Ayan na si Jessica. Let's show them the moles thing. Ayan, oh. Wait, honey. Wait. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ito. Ayan. Tignan nyo. Yan yung kinakain ng moles. Oh, ganyan, oh. Parang Bukidnon Hills. Ano yun? Sa Bohol? Mountain Hills. Oh, sabi ni Mr. is very healthy daw yan siya gamitin. Hinukay ng holes. Let's go na. Now, what's that animal that dig them?
Moles.
What?
Moles.
Moles. Oh. Let's go na. Daddy's waiting. Go to Daddy. Run. Dito kami nag-parking. Oh. Hoy, Daddy. There, where's Daddy's car? Hoy, hindi tawon ito atin ng Mercedes. Pulang-pulang Mercedes nila. Here, Daddy. Come. No. Don't run like that, please. Honey, look. Go to Daddy. Ang kulit niya do. Wala kasi to siyang tulog. Ganito to siya pag walang tulog. Oh, go here. Up. Where's the flower? Here.
Oh, flower!
Go bring it cow in the car.
Come on, bring the flower to the car, Jenny.
Car. You need something to distract her mind.
Flower in the car. Show Gigi your flower.
Ganyan yan siya.
Show Gigi your flower.
Si Jessica nandito na sa sasakyan. Si Jenny lang ang wala. Ayan, oh. Ay.
This
Daddy.
Look at Jenny's flower.
Oh, pinakita pa niya ang flower niya.
Oh, no, that's a nice.
Ay, nako. Ila ko muna itong mga bata. Okay. Napagod ako eh. Busog nyo tapos maglakad ka nito. Oh, maglakad. Ay, ako si Jenny talaga. Check natin kung nandito ating mga phone. Nandito yung... Oh. Sige, dito kayo mag-go. Ride. Vroom. Sige. Ride. Vroom. Hala ka, honey.
Little tiny little mouse.
Where's your flower?
You know what the mole looks like?
Where's the flower gone?
Where's the flower?
Did you see the flower? Seatbelt on. Mag-aaway na naman yung dalawa dyan sa likuran. Kailangan i-distract si Jenny, honey. If you want her to do something, you need to
distract her.
distract,
I
yeah.
noticed how you did that then. She'll get to the flower then.
Because she won't listen. Yeah. You need to tell her a little bit of things. Ganyan ako magkuhan ka, Jenny. Let's go. Distract. Uy! Wipe your nose, anak. Oh.
No.
Hey, hala ka. Don't say no. Look at her. Oh.
Just
Aray ko po.
No.
Sige na, honey. Let's go na, honey. Sobrang busog ni mami. Busog is, can you say busog?
busog.
Busog is full.
I'm full.
Full belly. Busog tiyan.
Mommy,
Busog tiyan ni daddy? Yes?
guess what we Ligid.
Where do you want to go shopping to?
Ligid.
Morrison's, Asda, or
Morrison's.
Tesco's?
Morrison's place, more easy. Ligid is... Bakit alam mo yung ligid na? Uy, alam ni Jessica yung ligid. She knows the word ligid, honey. Ligid is car, tire. Tire? How to say it? Tires. Yeah. Name mo nun. Where is it? Ay, tiglabasa ng mga sasakyan din dito. Biyahe muna tayo. Papunta ng, ewan ko anong plano ni Mister. Ang atin lang taga-drive ang masunod. Ito yung mga roundabouts, oh. Ayan, oh, ang dami-daming roundabouts. Me too. When mom is driving, I'm so confused of the roundabouts where you go. It's like one roundabout there, another one here. How many roundabouts is in UK? Roundabouts everywhere.
Trongpai.
Trongpai. Na nagtatay naman ka, Hani. Si Hani is speaking Thai. Trongpai. How did you still remember the word Trongpai?
And
You did learn speaking Thai, right, Honey? Yes, you did learn speaking Thai last time.
Yeah.
Nagtatay kasi dati kasi.
Sai and Kwa.
Right and left is Sai Kwa. Sai Kwa Sai, Sai Kwa Sai. They have song like that.
Mommy,
Oops.
The best
Yeah.
Sai Kwa Sai I've ever seen was.
Mommy,
Yes, Lam.
this was the good.
Yeah. What Bangkok? Okay.
I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything.
Dito kami sa Asian shop. Kasi bibili kami ng pear. Si Mr. nangala. Si Mr. is buntis. Bili tayo ng pear dito. Come.
Gigi wants to go with you.
Okay, come here. Gusto niya sumama sa akin. Okay.
Make sure to get Jessica's and not Jenny.
Go. Come here. Dito kami bibili ng pear.
I want
Maghahanap.
something in the shape. Asian shop this way.
Ah.
Mommy wants something in the Asian.
What do you want?
I don't know.
Meron daw siyang gusto dito. Anong gusto mo? Ha?
I feel cold.
It is cold here. Madami silang, hala, merong mga mais na. Oh, ayan oh, ang dami nilang mga benta dito. Durian. Meron yung pure durian eh. Ayan oh. Pero ayaw ko munang bumili kay kuan, blood sugar. Blood sugar. Come here na.
I want to get the basket.
Okay. You want the basket? Do you think we need the basket? Oh yeah. Wait there. Kuha pala kami ng basket ni Inday. Niremind ako ni Inday Jessica. Kuha ng basket. Ang dami-dami dito ay mga tayo nila ng mga products. Where is it? Here. Okay naman mag-vlog dito kasi last time nakausap ko yung
Can I do it?
mga babae dito. Okay man daw. Okay. Come. Ah. Si Tindera Jessica. Yan yung ating Tindera JJ. Oh, ang lalaki. Dalawa lang siguro. Jessica, oh. Wala man itong kuan. Ay, presyo dito, oh. Ha? Here.
This way. Okay.
No, you can just,
Why?
ana. Tulod-tulod lang.
Whoa.
Dalawa. And then maghahanap kami ng biscuit ni Jessica na gusto ko. Patay, natumba na. It's in the properly.
No.
No. You want that? Yeah, okay.
No, so good.
Hala, mayroon mga kuan. Oh, mangga, oh. Ano tong sweet and sour. Hala, itry ko ito.
Wait, Mary, look.
Yes.
It's your favorite.
Meron din silang mga seeds
your
na.
favorite.
Oh, which? Yeah. Mahal man dito na. Doon na lang yan sa anong bilhin sa isa. Do you want seaweed or no?
Yeah. So I'm gonna go.
Go get it then. Kuha na yan siya. Ayan yung paborito nila. tag 140 or 250. Hindi ako sure.
Mommy, look, it's your favorite there.
Yeah, okay. Let's go na.
I see your favorite.
Yeah, I still have in the house. Okay.
Whoa, so heavy.
Diri. Magbabayad na kami. Kasi, meron pang naglilin kasi Inday Jessica. Tingnan nyo. Alam, tulak pa more. Saan tayo magbayad na? Doon ata. Okay. Dito? Dito siguro. Uy, sobrang lamig ng shop nila. Okay. Hello. Nak, hold this one there. That too. You okay? Nagkahirap-hirap na talaga kami dito ni Jessica. Tingnan niyo siya. Hindi kasi kami bumili ng silupin. Ala, nahulog na. Ali, shitty ka lang. Look at her.
Hey, what is this?
Here's yours. Ang paborito mo, honey. Thank you. Sige na, get in na. Okay lang, Jenny? Okay ka lang, nak? Dali, kay ilak natin yung seatbelt mo. Ilak. Oh, ilak. Magtatagalog na ako dito kasi si Jessica. Oh. Para naman maintindihan mo magtagalog. Where's Mapon? Didiri, kay ilak natin. Tapos na kami. Dito muna tayo.
Playing a bit 20 pence. Like 20 pence.
Sobrang lamig doon sa loob ng Asian shop, nak, no? Parang wala silang heater doon. Kaya pagpasok ko ba, you know what, when I'm from outside and then I went inside the shop, it's more cold.
Inside's more.
Yeah. Dito na tayo, malapit na tayo sa ating pupuntahan. Ang aking battery ng camera is 34% na lang. Hindi ko alam kung mag-last but ito sila ng long. Uy, sobrang busy nitong dalawa sa likuran. Oh. At least hindi sila nag-aaway. 3:15 na pala. Dito sana kami na ngayon ni Jessica at ni Jenny. Hindi pala pumasok si JJ today kasi nagsuka-suka siya kagabi. Kaya nagstay home lang siya. Tinawagan ko yung kanyang school na hindi siya makapunta ng school. Kaya nagsuka-suka siya. Iwan ko ano nakain niya. Basta kaya nagsuka yun siya ay. Ayan yung BNQ. Dito tayo last time naggala-gala with Jenny. Si Bayaw is magsisimba. It's not tomorrow. Oy, kay it's Seventh-day Adventist man tomorrow's church. Sunday, right?
Saturday
Honey?
tomorrow.
Ha?
Saturday tomorrow.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, Friday pala today.
It's your
Pero
holiday
malate na ito.
tomorrow.
Yeah. I thought Craig is going to church
Sunday.
tomorrow. Malate na ito na pag-edit mo si Inday Elgin. O dito na tayo sa ating Morrisons na ating always pinupuntahan. Hala ka, oy. Busog na busog ako ay. Hala. Nag-demand na yung isa, need croissants daw.
Croissants and what's the other one?
Muffin. Lumilipas ang panahon. Oh, grabe, sobrang busy. Tinuturuan ako ni Mr. kung paano itong pagdadrive-drive dito. Yan nilahan eh. Why there's a
Yeah,
ribbon?
that's because you said mega steak and mega mega.
Oh,
So she wants to stay in the car now.
why? He is not there, oy. Natatakot siya. Kasi akala niya nandito
Nobody's
yung
gonna see you, Jamie.
guro niya. It's okay, they understand because you were sick last night, right?
You were sick and Mummy left a message on the answer machine, so they know. Don't worry.
Yeah. Dito kasi pag mag-absent yung estudyante, kailangan mo silang tawagan. Kailangan mo silang ipaalam at kailangan mo talaga silang i-message. Ay, dalhin ko pala ito aking bag. Uy, kaya nandito yung aking cellphone. Dali na! Hala, ayun, nilang lumabasan eh! They don't wanna go. Nakakalimutan ko sometimes yun. Tinatagalog ko na si Mr. Cam, it's okay. Push you around. Natakot siya kasi sinabi ko nandyan yung guro niya. Uy, hala, uy. Dali na. Dali na. Thank you. Nandito na yung phone ko si Jenny. Oh, be good ka ha? Be good ka dito doon ha? Dali, dali, dali.
Calm down. No, get it now.
I think she's sleepy, honey. Oh.
She's got sit in the trolley.
Yeah.
Where's the double one?
Daddy get the trolley.
Is there a double one somewhere? Can you see a double one, JJ?
Oh, careful with your head.
That's a single one, isn't it?
Where? Yeah. Wait, wait, Daddy. Oh my gosh. Ginny, pagtarong po na. Ayan na si Jessica, oh. Hindi na siya takot. Ngayon na, wait, wait, wait. Kay Daddy will get trolley. Hold, Mommy. Hold, Mama. Takot si Inday. Oh, did you drop it? Yeah, I think no. I'm not sure. Uy! Ayan, muha na naman ng bird. Ay, this one is double here.
Mommy, thank you.
Ang school dito is hindi sila kagaya sa atin na kung sino yung magaling, ganun bitaw. Dito fair, walang mag honor, walang ganun. At ang inang pinupupos yung super low. Dito ay kasi ganito yung nangyari. Si Jessica is marunong na siya magsulat tapos meron silang competition dito ba. So sinabi ko kay Mr. na, honey, hindi naman marunong itong bata. Pero na siya naman yung nag-represent sa ano ni Jessica. Ganun ba? Pero hindi sana dapat ganyan yung ugali natin, no? Oh, tapos sinabi ni Mr. sa akin na ano daw kasi pag ang bata dito is low, pag nag-try hard sila, yeah, yan yung pinopokus daw nila. Ganun sila dito. Hindi dahil magaling ikaw, dapat ikaw ang ilagay sa competition. Hindi sila ganyan dito. Kaya walang magalingan. Walang honor. Where are you going? No. Come here. Come. Lah, where's daddy? Daddy is there. Oh.
Thank
Oh. Look. Lah. Ang dami-daming itlog. Honey, put here. Free fruit. Always, yeah, that's apples. Free fruit para sa mga bata dito. Ang dami nilang apple today. Yes, na. Gusto mo ng banana, right? Uy, don't eat that first. We need to wash.
I've never seen anybody one.
Hindi makafunction yung aking agta. Uy, sobrang sino pala na ako. Kanina nag-usap-usap ako sa inyo. Hindi ko man lang namalayan na meron parang nakasuksok sa aking ngipin. Yeah, 99.
Oh, it's cheap.
That's at
Even than last week, though.
Morrison's one. You want try?
Yeah, okay.
Ala, naka-sale ang strawberry na. See? Naka-sale honey. Ang laki. I don't know. Do you think they will
Clever,
eat
see,
it?
because they put that 3.49 and then you see 2.99. Really, it should be 3.
Ah.
See,
So you
99.
oh yeah,
Really,
you just save 49p.
Psychological in your brain.
Yeah.
That's how they do it.
But you just save 49p.
Yeah.
Ha, no point. Akala mo nakasave ka ng 1 pound. I thought I saved 1 pound then.
Yeah, no. I think that's what the boss wants your brain to think. It's tricking you.
Kuha tayo dito ng mushroom ni Mister kasi magluto tayo para sa kanila. Ito naman si Inday. Oh. No. Go to daddy. Ite. Okay. Yan, tag 99 yung isa. Magkano ito sa Pilipinas? Ang 99 dito is nearly 1 pound. So, ang 1 pound is 64. So, 64 ang isa. Huwag mong i-convert, Elgin. Ayun na naman, pumasok na doon sa... No, honey. Oh. Dito na, nak. Upo lang si Inday Jessica.
That's the best with the pizza. Mixed mozzarella and cheddar. Mixed.
Okay. Nabili pala siya ng pizza niya.
Onions.
No, I still have one. Yes?
They're very well.
Oh. JJ, you okay? Go home now, ha? After we
Yeah, we'll
shopping.
just do a little bit of shopping and we'll go
That's
home, okay?
legit.
You don't need no bones, do you?
Where is it? I'll just get the 3 pound one. You, yeah. Mix with the baby. Paborito ni Mr. O. O, ayan naman si Isa. Is akyat-akyat. Come. Laka, uy. Nasusuka ako ba? Aray ko po, ang sakit ng aking tiyan. Inaatake ako dito pag yun sa Morrison. Sabi ni Mr. punta ka na lang ng toilet kung nasusuka ka na talaga. Jenny! Aray! Aray! Aray!
What toilet then? Let me take the baby with it.
Tignan nyo ito, oh. Super jackpot. 100 million. 100. Hindi marunong magbasa. Nawala na pala yung sakit ng tiyan ko. Ay, naka-burp kasi ako. I think kailangan ko ng ano yun siya, gas sa aking tiyan.
Okay.
Mananalo lang si Mr. ng loto. Jackpot for today, Friday. Honey, look at our jackpot tonight.
I know, we're in it as well. And you gotta be in it to win it.
Yeah. Uy, hala, nagpatad na naman siyang loto. Ito, loto, landingan na ng airplane.
Hey!
Wait, no. Bluey, no.
Mommy, hurry.
Gripping them.
Hurry.
Naghabulan si Jessica, si Jenny at si Mr. Ayaw ni Jennifer magpakuha. Ang hirap niyang ikarga kasi ayan oh, tignan nyo nga, yan siya oh. Ako na lang yung maglagay nito. Ay, 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 ay. Lo, bigat pala nitong cook.
Now or not?
Now, can she arrange you? Can she arrange? Rip English. Ay, akin lang itong ibalik doon. Nagpanik ako. Kasi hindi ko makita yung aking cellphone dito sa loob ng bag. Tapos, nawa na, madali na talaga ako. Sabi ko sa anak kaya yung cellphone ko. Hindi ko na remember na itong bag pala na binigay ni Ate Leb. Meron pala siyang middle. Ayan oh, mayroong middle zipper dito ba? Ayan, nandyan pala siya nakasuksok. Uuwi na tayo. Ila ko lang ito si Jennifer. Hoy, ang hirap pag meron ganitong. Ay, madali naman tayo nito.
Rest, yeah?
Yeah, okay. Rest day. Hala, bakit naman ka tumayo dyan?
Sit down.
Sit down, please.
Got a different one today.
You play it.
£100 doubler.
Ah, we will be a millionaire.
Sit down, we're going. Sit down. Want to go home? Want deuce?
Hala, where's Daddy's key? Where did you put Daddy's key?
I want to go here.
Can you sit down
I need
there?
them from... Oh, my keys was... Jenny, have you seen Daddy's keys? Where's Daddy's keys?
Ay, naku.
Jenny, where's Daddy's keys? Oh, my girl.
Pauwi na po tayo. Si Jennifer at si Jessica gustong-gustong pumunta doon kay Bayaw. Pero hindi na kami magpunta kay Bayaw. 3:52 na po. Hala, bus! Ang laki ng bus. Do you think it's hard to drive bus and lorries? Or
I would like to do it.
do you think they're heavy? Or they're just
for
the
me,
same?
I like, the thought of it is like headache.
Yeah.
To do it, I think you must love driving.
Yeah,
If you love
I think
driving, that's
so.
not a problem, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
For me,
You know what I
driving is
noticed with my driving lesson? I really enjoy it now. What? Is it time already for me? It's just like 10 minutes ago. When you're driving, no, hindi nyo talaga manonotice kung ano ka tagal yung pagdadrive nyo. Lalo na pag traffic. I think the traffic is eating the time sometimes. You know, when it's so busy. Dito na kami sa bridge. Dito tayo dadaan. Oh, ayan. Yan, diyan. Kasi ito na way is... Where is this way going? To the middle lane there?
To the to the... It's
Or
basically for the
straight.
slower traffic and the faster traffic.
Oh, but we're going here because we're going
We're
round.
going here because we're going right.
Ah, papasok, papunta doon. Hindi ka basta-basta kailangan na mag-drive dito, ganyan. Meron ka talagang kailangan. No, honey, no, you can't just drive like anywhere you want. Like anywhere. Sa Philippines kasi, honey, in Philippines, you only have 2. You know, in my province, 1, 2 is for going.
And America
for
as well, they don't have roundabouts and things like this. They're
No?
just like straights and lefts
Yeah,
and
like
rights.
that. Ganyan kahirap mag-drive dito. Kailangan talagang nasa correct lane ka kasi pag nagkamali ka, bawal ka mag-U-turn. And the U-turns here is not anywhere.
No.
You cannot U-turn kung saan-saan lang nang kagaya sa atin na pwede lang dyan ka mag-U-turn dyan. Dami-dami mong iintindihin talaga dito pag nag-drive.
Another driver coming.
Oh yeah, there is.
Probably panicking now.
I'm the same way. If someone bitaw, Mark! Mark, this car coming and I'm the one driving. Oh no, what I will do? Oh, naglalaro yung dalawa. Ako lang yung estudyante ni Mark na nagtatawag sa kanya ng Mark. Tapos pag nagpanic na shouting, Mark! Ay, nako. Bloody Filipina daw. Ah, happy ang dalawa. At least man lang, happy kayong dalawa, no? Sleepy! Be, tanggal na tayo na yung seatbelt. Marunong na talaga ako mag-drive. Ang akin lang praktisan ngayon is yung roundabouts, yung kung saan ka position ng sasakyan, at saka mga signs. Kailangan ko din yan siyang i-learn din. Ganun. Marunong na ako mag-drive. Oy, makadrive na ako kung saan-saan. Pwede na ako mag-drive kung saan-saan. Hala ka, nandito na si Inday na. Inday Sipon. Si Inday Sipon. Sige na kayo, mag-charge tayo na ang aming sasakyan. Oy, sobrang luma na talaga nito. Ay, kay bayaw pa to. Tapos ni-repair lang ito ni Mister kasi ano to siya eh, naka-junk lang to dati. Come here, nanak. Hindi na yan naka-on ha, wala yung susi dyan, kaya huwag kayong mag-alala. Ito na si Inday,
My leg hurts.
Is it? Hindi, magkuha tayo ng shopping. Wait, nak, wait for mommy there. Dalhin natin doon sa loob ng bahay. Wala, nalubat, ala. Tamang-tama lang din talaga. Nasa bahay na kami. Nalubat na yung aking camera. So, hindi ko alam. Binuksan na ba to ni Mister yung aming bahay? At yung door na wala pang paint. Asa naman kayo pupunta? Pasok naman natin ito dito. Halaka. Halaka. Ano na ba to? Ang daming mang door dito sa aming bahay.
It's warm in here.
It is warm here inside the house. Is there more there?
No, I'll get it. Take the jackets
The
off.
pairs. Okay.
Take the cactus off.
Jacket off na. Jacket off. Kailangan ko sa yung sabihan na dito ilagay kasi si Mr.
Mommy?
Diyan. Sometimes ako man din pagbasa yung aming mga jacket. Yes.
In school, we call it coat.
Oh, is it? It's not jacket. It's coat. It's coat. Oh, coat pala ito. Hindi ito siya jacket. Coat. Babe, we need to fold that and put it in that thing. Oh, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Ayun, ayun. Copyright ni Mr. Oo. Ayun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Hala, itong kalaha namin hindi na matanggal ito. Oh. Ano kayang ikuskus dyan? Yan na naman yung problema ko. Pero ito yung pang-itlog. Ayan o. Honey!
Yeah.
You have a copyright, oh?
What?
Copyright.
What's that?
Look where she put her jacket.
Oh. Copyright.
Copyright of Mr. Wayne. Ay, i-arrange ko lang na to dito yung aming mga nabili. Ayan, nakalibreng apple na naman tayo. Lang muna yan. Hindi na ako nagbili kasi madami pa ito. Nung last time namili ako. Kasi nagdadala si Jessica. Di ba nasabi ko sa ibang vlog, hindi na siya nagdadala ng apple. Kasi hindi naman kinakain. Ito yung beans nila dito. Oh. Meron bang ganito sa Pilipinas? Dilata na
We got a
beans.
coat, girl.
Girl, copyright of Mr. Wayne. Oh, ayun o. Coat girl. Yes?
I have my jacket. I have
And daddy's jacket. Oh, nihang mo dyan. Siya na niya. Nihang yan.
Mommy,
Yes?
I have my coat. I have Jen's coat. And I have Daddy's coat.
Oh, good job na. Pancake lang yung binili ko kay JJ kasi naubusan sila ng egg muffin ba. Kanina ko to siya niluto. Sinabawan. Pero hindi pa namin niya nakain at madami din kaming rice dyan. Oh, bago din yung luto. Oh. Tomas!
She's got
Mga jacket nila. Ganyan din ba kayo, ha?
Jenny wants Thomas upstairs.
Ah, that's good. You have 2 TV, right? They won't argue. Aming mga neighbor, hindi mga marites. Ako lang talaga yung natitirang marites dito. Walang kamarites in the Elgin. Pero alam nyo, nakaka-help ba sa mental yung pagmamarites? Kasi dito sa kanila, wala silang pakialaman sa marites-marites. So, pag depressed sila lang sulo-sulo. Pag ako'y depressed na, ako'y magpupunta doon kina Ate Lizelle, maglakad-lakad, ganun. Para hindi tayo mabaliw ba? Makabaliw rin ng depression. Honey, do you think the depression makabaliw?
Sorry?
The depression makabaliw?
Depression? Everybody has a little bit of depression, I think, sometimes.
Mine is like bad sometimes.
Some people get it bad, but some people got depression. You don't know because they hide it.
Mine is postpartum.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy.
Hala, bumababa na si Jenny, honey.
Oh.
Jenny.
Yeah, she's watching Thomas.
Oh, nagbaba siya using her bum. I think she's afraid to go down standing. You know,
Oh,
last time. I-arrange ko muna to ha, kay medyo madami-dami to ba. Baka maabutan tayo ng 1 hour dito. Bumalik ng unggoy. Ilgin. Hello, hello. Bumalik na si Ilgin unggoy. Laka, mas mahayag pa yung lampara ni Mister, no? Gabi na pala dito. Ayan, nakabihis na ako. Meron akong mga dito. Ayan, oh. Oh, meron akong mangga. Ito yung mangga kong binili kanina doon sa Asian shop. Kain muna tayo ng mangga. Palawain ko muna kayo. Hindi po. Meron malubot. Ito siya is, mag-promote ako sa inyo. Ito yung bagong kong business. Hindi, galing to siya sa Thailand. Si Jennifer pala, tulog na siya. Ayan, sweet and sour with chili. Ha? Ay, wala mang tunog. Kaya lang, kainin ko kay...
It smells yummy.
Alam niyo, bawal ba dito sa kwarto ni Mr. magkain? Ayun niya, magdala dito ng mga snack. Ah. Sinong tulo laway? Hiya. You want to say hi? You want to eat mangga? Mau mangga? Nanonood yan siya kasi kanina. Dito kami ni Mr. Nagkwentuhan kami kanina
I
dito.
don't like mango one too.
Why? Fix muna natin itong konti. Dito kami. At yung aming topic kanina is about sa mga past na mga pangyayari. Tapos tinanong ko siya. Tinapat niya talaga sa akin. Yung honest talaga si Mr. sa akin. Kasi ako, madami talaga ako ba curious sa akong mga ginagawa. Yung, Mr. curious ako sa iyong ginagawa. I-fix muna natin ito dito. Biki, parang meron mga naniningin ng agta dito. Biko, Mr. curious ako kung nung hindi pa ako mo nakilala. Sabi ko, ano ba yung mga Tagalog natin? Rip Tagalog. Sabi ko, meron na ba siyang mga nakachat na Pinay dati? Sabi niya, oo, marami daw siyang na-chat na Pinay. At marami pala siyang natulungan na mga... What's wrong? Ay, you wanna eat rice and soup? Let's go, Danta. Kainin ko pa di ito siya kay nagsukaha ba siya sa kanina. So, walang laman yung kanyang chat. On tayo ng live dito kasi... Ano pala, uy, hala. Ang aking camera na-blurred na naman. Yung friend niya na Pilipina dati, nagka-chat din kami noon. Friend na kami niyan. Nakwento ko ata dito sa inyo dati na nakachat ko yung Pilipina na friend ni Mr. na sobrang tagal na. Hanggang ngayon nasa Frenchless. Friend pa din sila hanggang ngayon. At hindi ako nasiselos kasi mas una pa sila nagkakilala kaysa sa akin. Walang dapat pagsilusan dyan. Pero na-confirm ng Pilipina sa akin na ganyan daw talaga yan siya. Madami siyang natulungan dati. At tinanong ko siya kasi sinabi nga ng friend ko na madami ka pala natulungan dati, mister, kasi nga nag-usap-usap kami. WhatsApp pa, sabi niya, oo, mga Pilipina, kay magsabi daw na, ay, ang aking tatay, ang aking lolo, ang aking ganito, ang aking lula, ang aking anak, mayroong sakit, ang aking anak, kailangan ng gatas. Mabilis talaga siyang maniwala at mabilis siyang maawa ba. At single naman siya noon na time, wala pa kami, hindi pa kami nagkakilala. Oh, madami siyang napadalhan. Grabe. Ang lambot-lambot ng kanyang puso. As in, super lambot ng puso ng aking mister. Dati, no? Diba? Wala pa man kami. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya na ilan, madami-dami daw talaga yung pagkatapos niya daw tulungan na magpabili ng gatas. The next na naman isiwa na naman yung ang lolo ko merong sakit, ang tatay ko is kailangan operahan, ang ganito. Madami daw, kailangan namin ng pambili ng bigas. Mag-send naman siya ng money. Totoo talaga, as in, nasabi din niya ni Ann sa akin na mabilis yan siyang maawa. Tapos, magsabi yan siya, meron na naman nanghingi ng pira sa akin. Magsabi daw sa kanya, tapos pagkatapos ng ilang mga kuwan, padala na naman daw ni Mister. Hanggang nung nagkakilala kami ni Mister, at si Ann, yung friend ni Mister, never daw yan siya nanghingi. Mabait daw siya na babae. Para daw siyang ako na hindi pira-pira. Never daw talaga yan nanghingi si Ann. Grabe, di ko akalain na ang dami palang Pilipina sa dating site na natulungan ni Mister. At sobrang nakaka-proud kung ganyan yung asawa mo ba, na ganyan yung puso niya. Pero ngayon, wala na yan siyang yung gamit niya kasi, nandito na naman ako. Taken it forever and ever is we stuck together. Stuck together. Ayan, magkuha na ako dito ng rice kasi papakainin ko na si Jessica at I think ipapatulog ko yan siya after siya magkain, no? Bukas is another day, another life of the Elgin me. Ay, tawa lang tawa na tayo dito, no? So, chismosa kay ka Elgin. Yes, guys, I'm the very chismosa is the gossiper. This is the Marites. Pag meron magtanong sa inyo, huy, meron ba kayong kilalang vlogger na chismusa? Sabihin niyo, meron, yun si Lulis. Tingnan niyo yun si Lulis. Sobrang Marites si Lulis. Normal yan. Okay. Di tawag ba feeling perfect dito? Kaya lahat tayo talaga, meron tayong pagka-Marites sa ating buhay. Kahit ako, ma-enjoy man ako magbasa-basa ng mga issue-issue sa mga artista, mga ganun. Yung mga magbabiral, mga buitapang, ay naku po. Chismosa. Number 1 is Elgin. Di mali. Room. Yan, kain na si Inday. Halaka, ang ngit-ngit man.
I'll do it by myself.
It's too hot. It's too, dark. Pilipina will eat the pongko. Ganito kami kumain. Ayan si Jessica. Ayaw niya yan sa mga karne. Hindi siya mahilig sa karne. Hindi siya mahilig sa yung mga sahog-sahog. Ganyan lang yan siya. Plain rice.
Different.
Tapos, i-opsan din natin. Mamaya na yan.
What? I would watch.
Ayan siya, oh. Kain pa more. Huwag niyong gayahin si Jessica. But example, ito siya. Kasi, tingnan niyo. Later na.
Why?
It concentrate kay it will not shoot to your mouth. The rice not shoot to your mouth. Anyways, dito ko na lang i-end yung ating vlog. Oh, maganda na si Elgin dito kasi tigtulog na dito, tapos maghugas ako ng plato, magligpit-ligpit. Ito na yung aming dito, nahugasan ko naman kanina. Gusto ko itong palitan kasi nag-stain na siya. Hindi ko matanggal yung mga puti-puti dyan. Anyways, maraming salamat sa pagmanood sa aming vlog. Go lang tayo sa ating live. Let's stay positive as always, as usual, and forever and ever. And God bless. Bye-bye. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm eating my rice and soup.
See?